Hello everyone, in this video we will walk you through submitting your first assignment into GradeScope. These assignments will be submitted and counted towards your project category in the final grade calculation, so we will go more in depth during class about what the project consists of. Okay, so we have just finished the last video in the LaTeX Basics module and are ready to submit. We begin by downloading the PDF render straight from Overleaf. This is a really great advantage of using Overleaf since it uses its own cloud storage. As you may have noticed, alternate methods in the first couple of videos. Um, I think Overleaf is much easier to deal with when it comes to file management and location. So, all right, we downloaded our file. Now we just open it. Let's just double check that everything is in order. Yep, looks like everything's good. Okay, we are happy with it. Wherever it is that your downloaded files go, I think that you should all be very comfortable with finding them, whether you're using Safari or Windows. Just make sure that you know where those files are downloaded so that way you can access them when you're uploading. Okay, so how do we submit? We go back to our Blackboard page. I'll just make this full screen for it to be easier to view. Once we're in our Blackboard page, you'll click on Submit Assignment under My Course, and this link will take you directly to GradeScope, which is very, very convenient. Directly to the course page. You don't have to worry about anything signing up. Everything's already done for you. So you click on the assignment. Looks like we already have a LaTeX Basics, which is conveniently what we've already completed. Then it gives you an option to submit some images or a PDF. We will be submitting a PDF. We just downloaded from Overleaf, so click Submit PDF. Now we select the file. Again, you want to make sure that you know how to find your file. And then we lastly just click Upload PDF. Now what's really cool about GradeScope is it's going to give you your entire document in thumbnails. So I'm just going to adjust the size so it's a little bit easier for me to view. Maybe 2 pages works a little bit better. And you'll notice on the left-hand side, you'll notice all of the questions are already there. So question 1, your first LaTeX document, click on that and it says select pages to assign to question 1. Well, it looks like question 1 is on our first page, and that is it. Go to our next page, and you just follow this procedure throughout the entire submission of the assignment. You notice that number 7 actually trickles over into another page. Well, GradeScope will allow you to select multiple pages, so that way when I'm grading it, I can see that problem 7 is over 2 pages. Let's see, we are done here. Lastly, we just click Submit, the bottom right-hand corner. You'll get this little notification saying that it has been submitted. Just close that. You can review your submission. So you can click on question 1. Let's see, question 7. Looks like there's 2 pages to it. And you can also resubmit as many times as you want, just in case you make a mistake. You can always resubmit. The only thing is you wouldn't be able to submit past the due date, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, it looks like we are done. Okay. All right, that does it for this video. Thank you very much.